Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. Today I'm cleaning my carpet using the Hart 2000 PSI 1.2 GPM, and this is my Hart. And as you see, I have a gross carpet that I need to clean it up. Let's fire this out and let's see. You see guys how powerful this 2000 PSI pressure washer to clean this carpet. See before and you see the after. That's the after and that's the before. After I spray it, it's a very powerful pressurized washer that able to clean the carpet. Wow, it's really great to see the before and after. See how powerful it is. cleans really well. So if you guys have a carpet, no need for you guys to send your carpet or to take your carpet to the carpet cleaner store. You can do it by yourself. You need to invest to get that type of pressure washer, and you won't get wrong. See the difference. See the before and after. I didn't add any soap. I just use only the this pressure nozzle with the pistol pressure nozzle, and I use that pressurized washer at 2000 psi, 1.2 GPM, and it works really well. Wow, this one is really amazing. Wow, see how it looks like after I wash it. I didn't even add any soap, but it turns out really good. Cleaning your carpet using this nozzle, using the 2000 psi, it works really well. So you won't get wrong to this. You gotta remove this one. This one, I think my door just put a bubble gum to this. Let's see if I can break it. If you cannot remove like this using the pressure washer, you just literally use the brush. Well, this carpet cleaner works really well. This is the cleaner that I use, pressurized washer. I have my own carpet cleaner machine that I got before, but I came across and invested with this type of pressurized washer, and this is my first time to use it by carpet to clean it up. And Well, this is the initial way that I'm gonna clean this. After I'm done with this, I need to brush this using my brush, and I add the soap, and I'm gonna use this again. So far, this is the partial way that I clean my carpet. I'm showing you guys how this thing works, and if you guys the same carpet, a living room carpet that you guys use, and in order for you guys to clean this up, either you get a carpet guy to clean it for you, or either you send it to the carpet store who basically do the cleaning, or you do it by yourself like what I do. I invested to this type of pressure washer, and I use it right now, and right now I'm satisfied. Even though this is a partial way that I clean it up, I'm not done with this. I need to brush this and use a soap. I'm gonna use the soap later on, and then I'm gonna use a pressure washer again, so that it will turns out really clean. But so far right now it cleans, it turns out really good compared to before that it looks like gross. So I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel. Till next time, guys. May you guys have a wonderful day today. Kindly share, subscribe, like, and comment down below. May God bless you all. Bye for now. God bless.